One way to know your compass error without solving anything is during pilotage. When the pilot asks you to steer a course like, for example, 000 degrees, ask him if your gyro really corresponds to the same course 000 as he expected to be. Sometimes pilots will say, "Captain, normally on this track it should be 000, but your course shows 001 or 002. At least you have an idea that your gyro has this much error. Pilots are experts in the local area, so they know immediately at first glance if the ship has a big or small compass error. With Captain's permission, you can write this down in the compass error logbook with a remark, pilot's observation. I hope this helps.